Hey my dolls, so it's your girl A here coming at you guys today with a review being brought to you by none other than LuvMeHair. They were kind enough to sponsor this video for you guys today. So what they sent me was the 4x4 glueless closer short water wave wig. And let me get the wig for you guys. So this is what she is looking like. Look at those curls already. I haven't even put her on. So this is going to be their short water wave wig. She comes with a total of 3 combs. You have 2 combs here at your temple. You're going to get a comb at the back, at your nape, 2 adjustable straps, and a truly adjustable strap. Okay, so, and here's your 4x4 closure. This is what your closure is looking like. Look how pretty that is already. So let me go ahead and try the unit on for you guys before I do anything else. Look how easy it's already looking glueless. Do y'all see that? Oh, the hairline is really, really nice. Haven't done anything to it. I'm probably not going to go with the middle part. I'm probably going to go ahead and go with the right side part. Just give me one moment. Let me zhuzh her up and I'll come right back, okay?
I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can test me. Way I put it down. Jackaban, them I call me #1. Understand, man, I put them on the run. Can't understand, never putting on the show, on the road. Man, I give them on the go, on the pole. Man, I ringing up the show on the low. Man, I killing up the show, let them know. Man, I cooking up the flow. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can.
Alright, so I am done with styling my unit. I really, really like this unit. The ease of it, very beginner friendly. It's amazing. So let's see what she looks like. I did not glue her down. I just added some baby hairs off camera. You can wear her without baby hairs, of course, if you choose to do so. You know, how you rock this unit is totally up to you. You do not need baby hairs. If you do not want any baby hairs, that is your business, okay? So, like I said, I just added some baby hairs just to camouflage the lace just a little bit. As you guys can see, look at that. I mean, it's still lace, but you know, here we are. Like, look at that. Okay, so LuvMeHair, you definitely got an A in my book. But you know, we have to see if this is totally glueless. So I'm just gonna stick my comb underneath here, and as you guys can see, it is glueless. Like, I don't have any glue on here. Look at that. And they want me to lift it up for you, so let me show you guys. Look at that. And I can just put it back down with ease. Let me do it again. Look at that. Okay. So I'm just messing up my baby hairs for y'all because, you know, I want y'all to see this is definitely, you know, one of those units you can wear without glue. You don't need tons of glue. You don't need tons of product to, you know, rock this unit out. Okay, so definitely enjoying this one. This one is definitely on my list of go ahead and buy it. She's well worth the coins. Okay, so let me fix this baby hair because it is killing me right now. Hold on. You know, that'll do. We ain't gonna fuss with this. Okay, like I said, this one, highly recommend. So once again, this is the 4x4 glueless lace closure short water wave wig. The curls on here are just gorgeous. I just used some water and I used the some Suave Luscious Curls curling cream. This curling cream is so bomb. It's very lightweight. As you guys can see, the hair it's still moving. This is what the length is looking like. Look how full this unit is. Like, it has a lot of density to it. So I am very, very, very impressed with this one. Okay, so, and y'all know me, if I don't recommend it, if I don't like it, I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. Okay, paid or not paid, I'm gonna let y'all know. This one, yeah, definitely is giving summer vibes. Like, you can wear this throughout the entire year, but this one is great for these cooler months, because who wants to be fussing with the lace adhesive? Who wants to be fussing with ball cap method gluing things down? I know I don't. I ain't got time for that, okay? Like, I am a mom on the go. I constantly have to be ready for anything. So yeah, this is so doggone pretty. Like, I didn't do too much to it. Very, like I said, very beginner friendly. You are going to love this one if you go ahead and pick it up. So comment down below. Let me know what you think about this unit on me. Are you loving her? Have you tried LuvMeHair before? Of course, talk to me in the comments. Let's kick it up as always, and I will talk to y'all later.